Yeah, you're probably thinking by the title of this video that that's not possible, but yes, a lot of auto mechanics are not actually car people. They just work in the industry to collect their paycheck and that's about it, and they don't really care about anything else. A lot of these people, when they first started off, they didn't have a mechanical background and they went to automotive repair school. Some of the people that went to automotive repair school, they liked cars before they went, and they're not like that. They actually do a good job and they are car people. And one of the ways you can tell is these people will stay at a certain level in their job and they don't try to move forward. I mean, they're the type of people that just want somebody to tell them what to do and they collect their paycheck and that's it. You know, in this industry, you should try to move forward always. If you started off just right out of high school and you're 35 years old, you should be the top person working at your shop. If you're not, probably not a car person. Another thing these people will do that aren't real car people, they're like 45, 50 years old, they've been in the industry their whole life, and they make all kinds of amateur mistakes, like starting a car up with the harmonic balancer off and the key comes out of the crankshaft and bends the valves. No professional would ever do something like that. Most hobbyists wouldn't even do something like that. Yeah, in this industry, if you're a real car person, you want to become journey level as fast as you possibly can, because then you make more money and you can buy more tools and equipment, then you can do more jobs on cars, and you'll learn when you're doing these different jobs how to do them then, and it makes you move forward faster. Yeah, another way you can tell that these people don't really care and they're not real car people is they don't ever try to become journey level. And that most people want to move to the top in their jobs, but these people never actually do that. Yeah, another dead giveaway is somebody that has no tools and equipment at their house. They drive a Subaru. You know, a person like that is not a car person. Yeah, I'm not actually bashing Subaru. Yeah, in the old days it would have been a Ford Pinto or a Yugo, but nowadays it would be a Subaru. Yeah, another dead giveaway that these auto mechanics are not actual car people is they drive a grocery getter and they're not into any kind of cars like hot rods, muscle cars, supercars, antique cars, or trucks, or anything like that. Yeah, a lot of people on here are claiming to be professionals, but they're really not. You know, their work speaks for itself. You can see that even hobbyists are doing a better job than them, that they can't possibly be a professional, and they're definitely not journey level like they say they are. Yeah, and if you're 45 to 50 years old and you're not journey level yet, it's time to move to a different profession. It's just not the right one for you to be working on cars. Yeah, I'm not bashing anybody. I'm just giving you my honest opinion since I've been in the industry for 28 years now. You know, the best advice I can give you if you're working in this industry is you want to reach journey level as fast as you possibly can. And if you want to do well in this industry, you'll get all your licenses and certifications as fast as you possibly can. Even if your shop doesn't do certain things, because you might move to another shop in the future and it gives you different opportunities that you didn't have before. So it's kind of stupid not to take these tests, and just because your shop doesn't do certain things or you don't do certain things, take them anyways. Yeah, one of the biggest problems we have in this industry are that people are on their phone constantly. They show up to work drunk or they're smoking dope. You know, you can't possibly learn and move forward in the industry by doing those things.